Hisense electric range installation. Please read and follow the instructions in the owner's manual before you attempt to install, operate, maintain, or troubleshoot your electric range. Caution: the range is heavy. Have someone assist you with your home appliance to help prevent product damage or personal injury. Measure the install location's pathway, which includes hallways, corridors, and door entries for proper clearance. If a door entry is too narrow, be prepared to remove the door. Situations such as stairway landings need extra clearance when turning the corner. Plan to remove any obstructions that may prevent you from moving freely through the delivery path, such as hand railings, shelves, or wall-mounted items. Lastly, measure the install location for a proper fit. Also refer to the instruction manual to know where the recommended electrical outlet should be placed to avoid interference with the range. The install location's flooring should be level for optimal performance. Take a moment to see what tools are needed for installation. Unbox your new electric range. For this example, a gas range is being used for the unboxing. Remove all the packaging materials outside of it and inside the oven cavity. Remove the electric range from the foam base and place it near the install location. Electric range components. Instruction manual, warranty and quick guides. Anti-tip bracket and screws. Before you purchase or install the electric range, make sure the install location is equipped with a grounded wall power outlet that has a 240-volt 40-amp setup. Your new range does not come equipped with a power cord but is usually available for purchase at your local home improvement store or online. For this installation, we will be using a 4-wire hookup cord. But for now, set it aside. Anti-tip bracket installation. Your new range comes with an anti-tip bracket to prevent the range from tipping over and causing personal injury or damage. Determine and mark the center line of the range cavity. The anti-tip bracket can be installed on either the left-hand or right-hand side of the cavity. Slide the anti-tip bracket against the wall in the cavity so that the center of the cutout of the bracket is 13 3/8 inches from the center line. With a drill, mount your anti-tip bracket securely to the wall using the 2 screws provided. Another option is to securely mount the anti-tip bracket onto the floor. Depending on your floor type, you may need to use a concrete drill bit which can be purchased at your local home improvement store. Power cord assembly. Find the conduit box behind the range. A diagram illustrating the installation of both 3-wire and 4-wire power cords is also located above the conduit box if needed. To connect the power cord, use a Phillips screwdriver to remove the metal cover and 4 screws. Go ahead and remove the metal cover as mentioned. Once removed, become familiar with the terminal block. You will need to remove the following screws from each terminal block. Note: always install the power cord with the strain relief securely mounted into the connection plate. You may need to purchase a strain relief if it does not come with the power cord. Slide the 4-wire power cord through the hole of the conduit plate as shown. It may be necessary to completely turn the conduit plate around depending on the size of the power cord. Remove the 2 screws from the conduit plate using a Phillips screwdriver. Flip it over 180 degrees and remount it using the same 2 screws. The larger hole should now be seated on the right side. Position the power cord at the same height as the terminal blocks, ensuring sufficient clearance for the strain relief to mount through the conduit plate. Once in position, use a Phillips screwdriver to loosely mount the strain relief using the 2 screws provided. When connecting a 4-wire power cord, you'll need to remove the ground strap in order to connect the ground wire. Connect and secure the green ground wire to the ground terminal block using the previously removed small square ground plate and ground screw. Note: when using a 3-wire power cord, remember to keep the ground plate, ground screw, and ground strap attached as shown. Now connect and secure each colored wire to their corresponding terminal block as shown. It should look like this when the 4-wire connection is complete. And how it should look when the 3-wire connection is complete. Once the power cord wires are connected, tighten the strain relief and give the power cord a tug to make sure it is securely in place. Remount the metal cover using the 4 screws previously removed. Range setup. Make sure the knobs are in the off position before plugging in the range into the wall power outlet. Plug in your new electric range into the wall power outlet. A tone will sound and the control panel display will illuminate. To change the clock on the control panel display, use either the arrow keys or the numeric keypad to set the time. Once set, press the start button. Push the range into the cavity. Make sure the range is level. If not, adjust the 2 front and back feet as needed. Wipe away any dust or debris with a non-abrasive, damp cloth before use. You are now ready to use your new Hisense electric range.